Hair Tinsel 12 colors: pink, red, rainbow, champagne gold, silver, sapphire blue, purple, green, colorful, rose, sky blue, sparkling gold. Fairy Hair Tinsel Kit Package. 12 colors in 12 individual folding packages, each color have 170 plus strands, total 2000 plus strands in this super value hair tinsel package. Hair Tinsel Strands Length, 46 inches, looks sparkling shiny, instant sparkle highlight blending with your own hair. Hair Tinsel Strands Kit Package. 12 pieces of hair tinsel strands, 1-piece hair extensions loop needle threader wire pulling hook tool, and several micro silicone link rings beads. Hair Tinsel Kit New Use. Not only used on hair, you can use it for making into a bow, can decorate the hat, the house, the bag and so on. UPTOUP 12 colors 46-inch hair tinsel with tools. The length of the hair tinsel is about 46 inches, which you can cut it yourself to fit your hair. 12 colors per package, 170 strands per set, about 2000 strands tinsel hair in total. Fairy Hair Tinsel material. Made by high-quality polyester fiber hair tinsel. Hair tinsel application. Party highlight hair extensions or outdoor activities, birthday, holidays and festivals. 12 colors colorful hair tinsel is so cool and popular, which can make you be the center of a crowd. Top reviews from the United States. Literally incredible. I'm obsessed. They're super easy to install. I wear microlink extensions. I could put the tinsel my extension into one bead. The colors are so cute. I get compliments literally every single day. 10 out of 10 recommend.